Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study general anatomy. First, establish a strong foundation by mastering anatomical terms like superior and inferior and understanding body planes. Next, get acquainted with the major body regions, such as the head, neck, and limbs, and their fundamental components. Always refer to a comprehensive anatomy textbook for in-depth explanations. Additionally, an anatomy atlas with clear, labeled diagrams will be incredibly helpful for visual learners, providing detailed views of structures. Once you have the basics down, tackle each body system one by one, like the skeletal or muscular system. Focus on understanding the individual parts and their specific functions. A highly effective method is to actively label blank diagrams or even draw structures yourself from memory. This active recall significantly boosts retention. Don't forget to create mnemonics for tricky terms, and always connect anatomical structures to their physiological functions for a deeper understanding. To solidify your knowledge, engage with practical tools. If possible, utilize anatomical models or even cadaveric specimens to see structures in 3 dimensions. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing specific details like muscle origins, insertions, and innervations. Consistent, spaced repetition is crucial. Review material regularly to keep it fresh. Furthermore, actively test yourself with practice questions and quizzes to identify areas needing more attention, ensuring a robust understanding. For advanced retention, try teaching the material to someone else. Explaining concepts aloud helps clarify your own understanding and reveals any gaps. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss difficult topics and gain new perspectives. Remember to maintain a positive mindset throughout your journey. Anatomy is vast, and consistent effort is key. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and understand that true mastery develops over time with dedication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.